Alright, welcome once again to Sequence and Series Class 6. I remain Victor Odigoma here. In this tutorial class of today, I'm going to be showing you how to solve this WAEC examinable question. Okay, and then stay put and you're going to enjoy it. Okay, this question says the sixth term of an arithmetic progression is 35 and the 13th term is 77. Find the 20th term. We have dwelt so much. This is class 6. We have dwelt so much in so many things inside arithmetic progression. And I will enjoy you if you are coming here for the first time, joining us the first time. Please go back and get the details so that you can follow this. All right, solution. I will write the mathematical expression first. So here we go. I will say that Tn is equals to A plus in bracket n minus 1, the common difference. Okay, now all these informations are not, the first term is not there, the common difference is not there, but I'm seeing n being 6 and the value is provided as 35. So I can say that T6 is 35. It then means that T6, which is equals to A plus in bracket 6 minus 1, the common difference. This means that 35, okay, is equals to A plus 5D. I will rewrite this as A plus the first term plus 5 times the common difference is equals to 35, and I call it equation 1. Do you follow that? I'll do the same thing for the 13th term. And if I do the same thing for the 13th term, I'll show you. Let me not jump, okay? So E13 is equals to, okay, I might omit some. I'm sure this detail will help you to get what I'm going to do here. First term plus 13 minus 1, okay, then the common difference. And this 13th term is said to be 77 equals to first term plus, then this will be 12D. And you know that I can revise this as first term A plus 12D equals to 77. I'll call that equation 2. Equation 2. I'm sure you saw that. Okay, let me bring both of them over here. I have been able to get equation 1 and 2. Okay, so I will have that A plus 5D is equals to 35. Call it equation 1. And the same A plus 12D is equals to 77. I'll call it equation 2. Then what else? I will solve these two equations simultaneously, like a simultaneous equation. Okay, so and I'm still going to dwell on simultaneous equations, even though the last time we were looking at the graphical method. In the case of one is linear and the other is quadratic, then I'm still going to come to discuss it as a topic. We're coming back to that, but right now let me go straight. In solving simultaneous equations, you can use either elimination method or substitution method. And in elimination method, you make sure that a variable here has equal coefficients. Like as you can see here now, that this is 1a and this is 1a. The coefficients are equal. So it is easy for me to eliminate, means take away, remove out of the way. So I can eliminate them. So if I say subtract equation 1 and 2, okay, subtract equation 1 and 2, I am going to have, if I subtract, because if I subtract, this minus this will go. Okay, so subtract 1 and 2. So this minus this, you have to be consistent. If you are saying this minus this, you go like that across the equations. If you are taking the absolute difference, you also maintain the absolute difference. Like as this place now is, this 77, this 35. If I'm maintaining the absolute difference, I'll just take the difference between 77 and 35 and put it down here. But if I'm saying this minus this, I will retain it when I'm saying 5 minus. Do you get that now? Okay. So this minus this, that will go 0. 5 minus 12. I think that will give me minus 7D. That's minus 7D equals to 35 minus 77. Let me check that. 85 odd 77 minus 35 equals to 42. It will be negative, minus 42. Now the next thing is for me to divide both sides by minus 7. And if I do that, please, if you are writing this thing, if you are doing this in an examination situation, put that statement, because I'm trying to manage my space here. Okay, put that statement to show your examiner that you know what you are doing. Okay, all right. So minus 7 all over minus 7. So let's check 42 divided by 7. So it will give us 6. So no, it doesn't mean that D is equals to 6. The common difference is 6. All right. We now say put D equals to 6 into 1. That is into equation 1. If you do that, you are going to, from equation 1, say A plus 5 multiplying 6 equals to 35. So this is A plus 30 equals to 35. It then means that A is equals to 35 minus 30. So the first term is 5. The first term is 5. And that is what the question says. Okay, the question says find the 20th term. Wow. So what we are going to do now in finding the 20th term, in finding the 20th term, what we do is we use Tn, and Tn equals to A plus in bracket n minus 1 D. Recall that this will become T20 equals to, the first term is 5 plus 20 minus 1, and the common difference is 6. So this will give us that T20 is equals to 5 plus, this is 19 times 6, 19 times 6, and 19 times 6 by my calculation, 19 times 6 is equals to 114. So I have it as my T20 equals to 114 plus 5. 5 plus 114. So T20 is equals to 119. 119. So the 20th term will be 119. I think that with this explanation I have given is adequate enough to show you the detail on how to solve this problem. Am I blocking anything here? Please look at it very well again. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, so, and take your notes down so that you can be able to, handle a problem like this in an examination situation. I remain Victor Odigoma here. Thank you for being part of the class. We are going to continue. All right. This is my way of giving back to the society.